This is not a test. The National Weather Service has issued an immediate shelter-in-place warning for the following counties of Mississippi: Jefferson Davis, Lawrence, Simpson, Lincoln, Adams, Amite, Pike, Pearl River, Greene, Hancock, Leake, Rankin, Scott, Smith, Jones, Jackson, Forest, Lamar, Marion. At 8:04 p.m., multiple tornadoes were spotted near Prentiss, Mississippi. This warning is in effect until 5:02 a.m. These are likely up to EF3 tornadoes. For now, please stay indoors. If you are in a mobile home, immediately retreat to the first floor of a secure building. This is a severe threat to life.